Christmas is waiting for you. It'll never start without you, never start without you. Christmas is all about you.
Hello friends, so today let's learn how to make this hanging from your old CDs. Here I have taken my old two CDs, and on one I have done my acrylic color and other chalk paints. You can do either of it. I have taken this Fevicryl color and on this I have done the chalk paint. Chalk paint which I have done, you can take it of any brand whatever you want. Here I have taken the chalk paint of Folk Art. You need to do 2 coats of chalk paint or acrylic paint, and then we will be proceeding further to give this effect to your decoration. Here to give the mixed shade, I am taking my ultramarine acrylic blue color and I will be applying on the half part of my CD. So take a little bit in your brush and apply it on your CD, and I don't want that dark blue, so I'll be adding little white color in it. And to give a shading, I'll not be using my brush, rather I'll be taking a piece of sponge and I'll be mixing both the colors together to give the shading on the CD. So like this, dab it and mix both the colors and give the little light blue shading to your CD like this. So once you complete it, let it naturally dry, or you can dry it with the help of your air dryer. In the base, either you can give this light blue color as I have done in my top project, else you can give light green to give the grass effect. It also depends upon the work or the paper you want to do on the second part of your CD. So here I am taking this light green, which is sap green Fevicryl acrylic color, and I'll be doing a shading for same. Since this color is little dark, again I am adding little white to it, and in the same way I have done on the top, I'll be mixing both the colors and giving a light green shade to the CD. It's very important to mix the color with the help of sponge, because with the brushes this mixing cannot be done properly. So it's better to use the piece of sponge instead of using brush. So it's completed. With this star effect, I'll be using my silver cone liner. Once the blue color dries, apply the dots on the top part to give the star effect. So here I am using my heat tool to dry both the color. You can even use your hair dryer to dry the colors. Now I will take my black color sketch pen and I'll make the mountain effect, and with the help of water I'll be spreading it little further. Once you do it, now take your decoupage paper and tear it. Whatever design you want to paste, you can paste it on your base of your CD. So here I am taking this part and I'll be pasting it on my CD. With the help of this Fevicryl Mod Podge, I am applying glue and pasting same. The extra part you can sand it and you can remove it. Now to give the star effect, I'll be taking my Fevicryl silver cone liner and I'll be applying dots like this. Else you can even spray white color with the help of your toothbrush to give the spray effect. Now I am arranging my flowers, and in the back part I'll be pasting this red color ribbon. So here I am taking my hot glue gun and pasting these flowers on my CD. These all flowers are handmade. You can even buy any Christmas decor stuff from your nearby stationery stores. Many things are available. You can even paste berries and green leaves or anything whatever you find convenient and easy to paste and decorate your CDs. Once this decoration part is done, I'll be taking this red color ribbon and I'll be folding like this and pasting at the back of my CD. It's an optional thing whether you want to hang this CD single one, or maybe you can paste 2 CDs at the behind of each other and then you can hang it on your tree. But here I am taking these two CDs together and I'll be combining it with the help of my hot glue gun. So let me complete it and let me show you how to do it. So can you see now your hanging is ready. So let's make more and decorate your trees on this Christmas. So friends, thank you for watching my video. I hope you loved it. If you loved it, then don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates from IG Creative Store.